Hey guys, it's just raining cats and dogs out here. Yeah, no sunset tonight. Probably no sunset tonight because of the weather, the rainy, cold weather. And the news, and I have news, and it is, I'm gonna watch The Dark Knight tonight. I'm gonna watch The Dark Knight tonight. We're gonna watch a movie tonight. Yeah, unfortunately, not the porch, but the porch is fine, but look at that water pond and look at that water stream. That's scary. And it's raining so hard that that pole right there, water's dripping off of it. It's raining so hard. Look at that water pond. You guys can see it's just raining cats and dogs. Probably can't see it though. But it's just raining cats and dogs. But yeah. See you guys later. Bye-bye.